everyone! Let's draw a Halloween candy together. I hope you're ready to follow along with me. First, grab your drawing supplies, pencils, crayons, or markers, whatever you like to use. Let's get started. Step 1. Draw the lips. Start by sketching a large, open mouth shape. Think of it like a big number 3 laying like that. Draw another line inside, following the same shape. Dot to create the lips.
Great job!
Step 2. Add the teeth. Inside the mouth, draw some sharp, jagged teeth. Make them look fun and scary. Add a few teeth on the top and the bottom of the mouth.
Keep going.
Step 3. Outline the candy wrapper. On either side of the mouth, add 2 wavy lines that extend outward to form the candy wrapper. Make sure the lines look like they are wrapping around the mouth.
Fantastic!
Step 4. Color it in. Use bright and fun colors to bring your Halloween candy mouth to life. I chose red one. Think red, orange, purple, green, and black for a Halloween vibe.
There you have it.
A spooky, yet fun Halloween candy shaped like a mouth. Enjoy drawing. See you later, friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.